When it comes to the quality of your air, a lot goes into keeping contaminants out. Featuring 360 degrees of filtration, a noise-reducing shock pad, and a powerful, energy-efficient motor, the Core 300 captures allergens, odors, and airborne bacteria with 3 unique filters. Each piece is an essential part of the beautiful device. All it needs is a home. That's where you come in. The Core 300 covers up to 215 square feet and 20 square meters, making it perfect for medium-sized living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Our filters capture pollen, pet dander, as well as smoke and unpleasant odors. Choose between 3 fan speeds and 4 timer settings, depending on the needs of your environment. Want something quieter? Turn on sleep mode when it's time for bed. The Core 300 is guaranteed to make your home healthier. Levoit.
Fresh air should always be available for you and your loved ones. The LVH132 Compact True HEPA Air Purifier can make that happen. 3 stages of filtration catch dust particles, absorb odors, and capture 99.97% of airborne contaminants as small as 0.3 microns. The touch control panel lets you adjust the Levoit 132's 3 fan speeds when you need extra power. The compact frame is easy to move from room to room. Low noise levels ensure the purifier won't be a distraction while you work. The night light can be turned on when it's time for bed, or when you want some extra ambience. Make fresh air a day-to-day reality. Create a healthier home with Levoit.